The formula for the area of a trapezoid looks like this. A equals, open bracket, big B plus little b, close bracket, times h. All of that is over 2. The big B represents the longer of the two bases, because all trapezoids have two bases. In a right trapezoid, the big B, the longer base, is this longer one here, and it is parallel to the little b, the shorter base. In an isosceles trapezoid, there is still a longer base, which is parallel to a shorter base. So that tells you where to place the values for big B and little b. The height, of course, is the height of the trapezoid, which is obvious in a right trapezoid like this one, but the height is this straight up and down height. In an isosceles, you cannot use the short side as the height here, because it is not going straight up and down. Let's do a few examples of using the area formula. In this right trapezoid, we're being asked to find the area. We are being given the big B, the little b, and the h, so we just have to fill in the formula like this. Big B is 5, plus little b, which is 2, times h, which is 3, all over 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, times 3 over 2. 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 over 2 is 10.5. The unit of distance for this trapezoid was centimeters, so the unit of area will be centimeters squared. In this second right trapezoid, we're given the area, and the little b and the h. We're being asked for the big B. So we fill in our formula like this. 28 equals, big B stays a variable, plus little b 6 times h 4 over 2. In algebra, I have a big fraction with a 2 on the bottom. I want to get rid of the fraction, so I will multiply both sides by 2. These will cancel, and I end up with 28 times 2, which is 56, is equal to 4 times b plus 6. Doing the multiplication across the bracket, I get 56 is equal to 4b plus 24. 56 minus 24, therefore, is equal to 4b. 32 equals 4b. Divide both sides by 4. These 4's cancel, and my b is equal to 8. I'm running out of space, I'll put it here. Big B is equal to 8. The unit of measure was the centimeter and the centimeter squared, so since big B is the distance, it is 8 centimeters. The formula works the same way for an isosceles trapezoid. So I'm going to fill this one in. Again, I'm given the area, so I start by replacing the A with 12. And then the big B and the little b are the 6 and the 4. The h is the unknown, over 2. Again, I want to get rid of that 2, so I multiply both sides of the equation by 2. These cancel. Moving over here, 2 times 12 is 24, equals 6 plus 4 is 10h. If I divide both sides by 10, cancel, cancel, my h is equal to 2.4. The unit of measure is the centimeter, so it's 2.4 centimeters. In this last example, I'm being asked for the area again. Here's the area formula. I'm going to fill it in. A is equal to, big B plus little b is 4 plus 3, times h, which is 5, over 2. 4 plus 3 is 7, times 5 over 2, which is 35 over 2, which is 17.5. The unit of measure, again, is going to be centimeters squared because this is an area. I'm writing it here. The area is equal to 17.5 centimeters squared. This is how you use the formula for the area of a trapezoid. You can be asked to find anything that's in the formula, the A for area, the big B or the little b for the bases, or even the h for the height.